DJI made waves last year with the Mini 3 Pro, showcasing the remarkable capabilities of a compact drone weighing under 250 grams. It was a tough act to follow, but DJI has now introduced the Mini 4 Pro, boasting a range of impressive new features. Interestingly, most of these new additions seem to be borrowed from its bigger sibling, the DJI Air 3, leading many devoted DJI enthusiasts to affectionately dub this sub-250 grams drone as the Air 3 Mini. Let's dive into the specifics of what sets the DJI Mini 4 Pro apart from the DJI Air 3. Did you know that 73% of visitors are more likely to make their purchases soon after watching a product video? This makes it necessary to have a product demonstration or promo video for showcasing your product's potential values and benefits. At Product Video Studio, we are equipped with camera gear, tools, and most importantly, expertise to make your video captivating and engaging. Just send your products and we'll handle the rest. Contact us today to create something amazing together. Starting with the design, while the Mini 4 Pro retains its lightweight design, keeping it within the sub-250 gram range that exempts it from licensing or registration requirements in many regions, it comes with some subtle yet noteworthy design enhancements. The placements of the 4 forward and rear-facing sensors has been strategically adjusted to provide improved peripheral vision. The overall body has undergone a subtle streamlining, featuring larger cooling vents, slightly reduced rear arm dimensions, and updated landing feet at the front. Notably, the camera and gimbal shield have been downsized for easier handling, and a new protective guard has been introduced to safeguard the propellers during storage. In contrast, the DJI Air 3 boasts a refreshed design that aligns with the modern aesthetic seen in DJI's latest drone offerings, such as the Mavic 3 Pro. The updated design includes slimmer arms, a sleek black camera housing, and a reduced overhang above the gimbal, which makes capturing low-angle shots a breeze. Furthermore, the Air 3 outstrips the Mini 4 Pro in terms of size, both when folded and unfolded. Notably, it carries an additional 470 grams of weight, making its total weight 720 grams. What sets the Air 3 apart is its dual camera setup, which is a notable departure from the single camera configuration found in the Mini 4 Pro. To begin, the Mini 4 Pro offers the impressive capability to record 4K video at a higher frame rate, pushing it up to a remarkable 100 frames per second. This advancement is particularly valuable when you want to capture those mesmerizing slow-motion scenes, and it brings the Mini 4 Pro in line with the Air 3 in terms of its ability to record in slow motion. Furthermore, there has been a noticeable enhancement in the realm of HDR video recording. With the Mini 4 Pro, you can now effortlessly capture HDR video content at resolutions of up to 4K, all the way up to a smooth 60 frames per second. What's even better is that the Mini 4 Pro now incorporates the D-Log M profile, making it significantly easier to seamlessly integrate the video footage you capture with this drone alongside footage from other drones like the Mavic 3 Pro. On the flip side, there's a noteworthy difference in the camera setups between the DJI Air 3 and the Mini 4 Pro. The DJI Air 3 sets itself apart by offering a dual lens configuration, giving users the option to select between two different lenses, a feature that's not found in the Mini 4 Pro, which has a single lens. Taking a cue from the successful triple camera design of the Mavic 3 Pro, the Air 3 also incorporates an impressive 70mm focal length. This particular focal length has gained popularity among photography enthusiasts for its exceptional capabilities. When you opt for the longer length on the DJI Air 3, it allows you to capture scenes from a notably distinct perspective. This sets your footage apart from the typical drone shots that frequently rely on wide fields of view. Utilizing this longer lens introduces a unique and attention-grabbing quality to your videos, making them stand out in comparison to the more conventional drone footage that often features wide-angle views. Although the Air 3 offers a maximum video resolution of 4K, slightly lower than the 5.4K resolution of the Air 2S, it manages to outshine its predecessor in terms of video quality for both cameras. Despite the lower resolution and slightly smaller sensors, the footage captured by the Air 3 appears noticeably superior. When it comes to flight capabilities, both the Mini 4 Pro and Air 3 come with an omnidirectional obstacle avoidance feature. This advancement translates to the freedom to fly sideways without having to worry about your drone colliding with obstacles like tree trunks. But that's not all. Instead of just providing basic Active Track functionality, the Mini 4 Pro takes it a step further with Active Track 360, a feature typically found in more expensive DJI drones. Now, with this feature, you can autonomously track a subject from virtually any angle, and the new sensors ensure your drone's safety throughout the tracking process. Additionally, the Mini 4 Pro introduces support for waypoint flights, which enables your drone to automatically replicate precise flight paths. This opens up a world of possibilities for capturing footage with precision and ease. One of the most remarkable improvements in the flying experience is the incorporation of the O4 transmission system in both the Mini 4 Pro and the Air 3. This innovation allows you to extend your flight range significantly while also ensuring a more robust and dependable video signal. Furthermore, the O4 transmission system excels in its ability to penetrate obstacles such as walls and dense foliage, surpassing the capabilities of the older O3 system, allowing you to reach up to 20 kilometers. This means you can fly with greater confidence in environments where signal interference might have been a concern in the past. When it comes to flying abilities, the Air 3 provides an impressive flight time of up to 46 minutes per battery. On the other hand, the Mini 4 Pro provides up to 34 minutes of battery life, and with extended battery, it can reach up to 45 minutes. However, using an extended battery will push your Mini 4 Pro's weight beyond the 250-gram mark. In terms of pricing, the Mini 4 Pro is available at a price point of $759, while the Air 3 comes in at a slightly higher cost of $1,099. In conclusion, both the DJI Mini 4 Pro and the DJI Air 3 offer exciting advancements in the world of drones. The Mini 4 Pro maintains its lightweight design and features like improved obstacle avoidance, high-quality 4K video recording with slow-mo capabilities, and the O4 transmission system for an extended range and reliable signal. On the other hand, the Air 3 presents a refreshed design, dual-lens camera capabilities, a longer focal length for unique perspectives, and impressive video quality. That's all for today. Thanks for watching our video. Like and share with your friends if you find this video to be helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.